Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the jumping spider from Spirit Halloween. It came pretty tightly packed and it had these bands around it, so I just cut them to pull this whole thing out. And on the bottom there are these other arms that you put on, the A, the B, and the C, and they just slide and click. Once they're in there, they don't want to come out, so I couldn't re-show you how that worked. But then you're going to take it and basically unfold the web that it's wrapped in, and just kind of fold it down on each side, and it'll eventually connect to each of those feet. And those feet are pretty sharp, so it kind of even cuts through the material. So just kind of be careful with that. But once you get it pretty much unwrapped here, one of the hardest parts is the springs. So what you want to do is lift this part up, and you'll see right here, here's where our spring is. It looks more like a wire than a spring, but it's this piece. And you're going to bend it down and loop it into just that little circle there that it goes into. So here I'll show you again. On the other side, you do the same thing. So the web kind of got wrapped up in it there. But you're just going to push it down and loop it until it goes into that hole. So now it's loaded and ready to go. And from here, the batteries, it takes 4 AAAs, so you just take the screw out there and put the batteries in. Pretty simple on that part. So we'll just pretty much unwrap the webbing here and put it over each of the feet. And again, it's kind of sharp on the feet, so it tears through this blanket material pretty easily, so just be really careful. But you'll see it has a little area in the front here to loop around the foot. On the sides, it's the same thing. So just loop it around like so. Okay, come around to the back. Now, there was a tricky part on this too. I could not find the on switch, and the reason why is it is actually hidden under a sticker that tells you to make sure that you do the springs first. So here's where that is. So notice how there's a sticker right here. So you have to take this sticker off, and it's warning you to use the springs. And then now you can put it on the little pad button or auto sensor. Now, if you do have one of these, I had one from another animatronic, then it worked out. It just plugged right in. I think they do sell them separately, if not, but it does not come with this. Right next to it, you also see like a wall adapter for power if you don't want to use batteries. That's not sold with it either, but it does have that option. So anyway, now we can just put our feet back on here and spread this web out. And now the spider is ready to go. We'll unfold the legs. And now push the button, and here she comes. Ooh. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please check the video description. I have other videos that are similar to this. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.